video is on the alignment feature in PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. So right now I have several graphics, but I'd like them to be formatted and all in a straight line. So I'm going to click on the graphics. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and continue clicking. Once I clicked on them, I had the feature up here to format, so I'm going to click on Format, and then I'm going to click on Align. For this option, I'm going to align to the left, so it's going to move everything to the furthest left. And then I'm also going to distribute vertically, and it will space it perfectly for me. You have the same feature in Microsoft Word. You can highlight. Once they're all highlighted, you get the option to format. And here's a line. I'm going to align to the left again. And also, I'm going to distribute vertically. If you have any questions, please email me at learn@vegetarianhomeschooler.com.